Upgrade your cooking game with the Cosori Dual Air Fryer. Tired of juggling multiple pans and long prep times? The Cosori Dual Air Fryer takes the hassle out of home cooking. With dual 4.25L baskets, cook double portions or 2 different meals simultaneously. Perfect for busy families or health-conscious cooks craving convenience. From air frying to baking, reheating, and grilling, this 8-in-1 marvel caters to all your cooking needs. Sync Cook and Sync. Finish features ensure your dishes are ready at the same time, even with different settings, giving you stress-free meal prep every time. Enjoy meals with up to 97% less oil, crispy outside, juicy inside. The Cosori Dual Air Fryer lets you savor guilt-free dishes while embracing healthier eating habits. Plus, with over 50 detailed online recipes, creating restaurant-quality meals is a breeze. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. Save time, water, and energy while enjoying up to 75% reduced energy consumption compared to traditional ovens. Durable and efficient, it's an investment that keeps on giving. Ready to transform your kitchen? Click the link now to explore the Cosori Dual Air Fryer, your ultimate path to smarter, healthier, and tastier cooking.